Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add users in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding users in Salesforce involves several steps to ensure they have the appropriate access and permissions, because you have to realize that by adding users, organizations can grant access to Salesforce to employees who need to use the CRM system for their roles. This ensures that all relevant personnel can leverage Salesforce capabilities to perform their tasks efficiently. Now, I need you to go to the setup dashboard and type in, if you haven't already, go to the quick find and type in user. Once you've done that, you might want to click on the users. Now what will happen is you would be forwarded to another page wherein you see you have an option to add new users or new user, and you can add multiple users at one time. All right, because adding user here enables organization to customize the Salesforce experience for different user groups. Now, of course, you can put in the first name, maybe and you can put in the alias, email address, username, nickname if you wanted, display name for users in online communities, the title, of course. After that, you can add some roles specified on the user license, chatter external, chatter free, identity, Salesforce. So there's a lot that you can do. Now after that, all you're going to do is hover down below. Once you have added all of the information here, is go to the save and close at the bottom. And save and new. Alright? Just wait for it. But of course, if there's an error, you might want to check all the values that you have entered. Okay, now let me go back again to the users. Now, if you wanted to add multiple users, when you click on this option right here, what will happen is there could be number of available chatter external user license for 500. All right, so there's a lot that you can do. You can choose the chatter external, identity, analytics, cloud integration user, Salesforce, and chatter free. Of course, we're going to have a separate video on how to add multiple users. But the thing is, that's how you basically add users in Salesforce. It is very essential for optimizing organizational workflows, enhancing data security, and supporting business growth through their effective CRM utilization. And you have to realize that it enables organizations to leverage Salesforce powerful features while ensuring that all users have permissions aligned with business objectives and regulatory standards. If you encounter any problems adding users here on Salesforce or adding multiple users at one point in Salesforce, you might want to go here instead. This is the official contact Salesforce customer support. You have an option to search help and type in your question if you get an answer. If you don't, all right, these are the documentation. If you don't, just contact support. You would be required to log in to either account. All right, and once you have logged in, you can also call these numbers here. One of the Salesforce customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to add users in Salesforce if in case you encounter any problems along the way. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.